Hey now, Carl the Madman here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I just downloaded Truck Racing Championship PlayStation 4 game. It's free here on with your monthly subscription. I mean, who hasn't wanted to race semi trucks, right? So let's give it a whirl. This game was free. This game was free. Came out in 2019. I saw, and you know. I just got her set up, and I'm in a quick race. I picked the Canadian Tire circuit somewhere over by Toronto, and 5 laps. Wow, I got a nice truck. Let's do this. Let's do this. Can you hear me good? I hope you can hear me good. All right. I don't know how brutal this is going to be, but thanks for coming along. Thanks for coming along. Auto drive. Auto drive. Oh, until we get past the finish. Oh, I see. Okay, here we go. And they're off.
This is the first lap. Try to get a few places here.
Starts me out in the cockpit view of, and you know what? I'm just gonna fucking leave it here too. Why not? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, we don't, we just need to take it easy. We don't need to get carried away, are you? Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right. Okay, we got some. Got a sharp one. Sharpie coming up here. Sharpie. Brakes overheating. Oh.
Keep going. You can win this race.
I saw that if you press your circle button, circle button will cool off your brakes. Okay, we got a big straight stretch here. What position am I in? 5th out of 11s. 100 fucking, Jesus Christ, these trucks haul ass, man. I better start slowing down. I want to go in the pit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Water tank half empty. Holy, well, I guess I better, I've hardly even hit the fucking cool the brakes thing, so. I'm in 4th. I'm doing pretty fucking good for a noob fucking truck driving racer here. Noob fucking truck driver racer here. I'm doing pretty fucking good, I think. First time playing this game. Truck Racing Championship. You know what I would love to see is a progressive flat track motorcycle racing game. Flat track's not very popular though, but I guess that's why we'll probably never see the game. Oh, that what the hell is it? Outlaw Sandria shit.
Keep your brakes cool. Remember to spray water on them.
Yeah, well, I don't have much water there, ding-a-ling. Take the inside here. I'm taking the inside on you here, buddy. What lap are we on? 2 out of 5. Holy crap, we got a ways to go yet.
Good move. Now on to the next.
Yeah, thanks. Position 4. Oh shit, no, don't go in there. Fuck. Fucking fuck. I went into the fucking pits. I didn't want to go into the fucking pits. I don't even know what... Well, maybe I did. No, maybe this will strategically pay off. But now I'm stuck in fucking auto drive here.
That was a good lap.
Was it? Ah, Rockstar, not affiliated, not sponsored. Energy drinks. Yeah, let's go. All we need is more energy drinks. Yeah. Come on, holy fuck! It takes me a fucking Jesus.
You've
Talk
completed
about.
your drive-through penalty. Now get back in the race.
What do you mean
Try to pick up the
drive-through
pace.
penalty? Drive-through penalty for what? I don't have any penalties. All the penalties are turned off in this game. I saw that shit in the settings there when I was turning off the music and stuff. And I turned off all the penalties, like collision penalties and whatever. I mean,
You're falling behind. Try to catch up.
yeah, okay. I'm in 11th now because of the stupid pits there. I was doing fucking good. Fuck. It's my own fault. Gotta. Whoa!
Keep your brakes cool. Remember to spray water on them.
Yeah. Lap 3. Okay, we're getting nearing the end of lap 3, I guess is what it is. Holy fuck. Oh, shit. I don't know if I have any water left or not, but still
You're
pushing
over
the.
halfway in this race. Keep your head in the game.
There'd be if I keep my head in the game. Well, there's a first for everything. Fuck, if I hadn't went into those stupid pits, I'd be in this race. But maybe that's why I'm catching these guys too, is because I got.
Good
I don't know.
overtake.
Did I get new tires and stuff while I was in there? I mean, it was just a drive-through. There was no pit stop or anything. Ah, fuck! Fuck you, buddy. I'm not coming in last place. Wow. Okay, I gotta get aggressive here. Gotta get aggressive. The finish line's right up there. I can probably take one or two of these guys.
You're falling behind. Try to catch up.
What do you mean I'm falling behind? I just passed two fucking guys, you fucking dumb. You ding-a-ling. Oh yeah, go, yeah, yeah. Uh-oh. Just gotta get to that finish line. Come on. We can do this. No. Go. Whoa, what the hell? Somebody must have hit me, you fuckers. Oh, you son of a bitches. I thought that was the finish line. What the fuck? Guess that wasn't the finish line. No, that was the finish line. 5 of 5. How many fucking Now I'm pissed off. Now I'm angry.
You're falling behind. Try to catch up.
This game is kind of fun, though. This is it's different. As far as racing games go, it's different. I like it, though. This game's pretty good. Especially for free. For free, this game is great. I don't know if I'm going to be able to catch anybody now. Maybe. I might be able to catch somebody. Assuming I'm on my last lap now. I don't know.
Keep your brakes cool. Remember to spray water on them.
Well, that all went to complete shit.
You're falling behind. Try to catch up.
I would definitely like to get into the audio there and shut that useless pit. You know, if somebody's going to be chatting at me from the pits, you know, tell me if there's somebody coming up behind me. You know, tell me to stay in the inside, you know, that kind of stuff. I need to tell me to hurry up because I'm falling behind. I mean, that does nothing for me. It's like I can tell that part on my own. Nitwit. And there's those fucking pits. Alright, I think this is the finish line. I think so. There we go, 11th place. Holy crap. Whew. But that was actually quite a bit of fun. That was quite a bit of fun. Start again, confirm. Well, we'll hit confirm, and you know, I think we'll just call the video there. We'll why is it why do I never remember? Hit that button there, and then hit that button. It stops recording. It stops that recording over there. It stops that one. And then I just got to stop this one. And but before I do that, I just want to say thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you got a PS5, add me, Carl the Madman 311. You know, maybe we can play some Call of Duty together. Maybe we can do some racing together. Fuck, who knows? Golf. We can golf together. Make some videos together. Join me. Join the squad. Carl the Madman 311. PlayStation 5. Have a great day.